How to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import your video or picture. After you've done that, simply make sure the white cursor line is at the front part, and on the top right, click on Add Keyframe. After you have done that, simply drag the cursor line upwards where you want to zoom. Now to zoom in, simply click on the scale option and shift it to the right, which will zoom in the video. After that, again, take the line and make it zoom out by pressing on scale and moving it to the left. After that, you're good to go. As you can see, if you play the video, it's gonna zoom in and zoom out. And this is how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.